Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need admin access to the Facebook page and a Meta developer account. Once those are in place, register a new app to obtain an app ID and app secret. Next, generate a page access token scoped to manage messages and subscribe the app to your page. Make sure to enable webhooks for the messages and messaging postbacks events. These first steps give you the credentials and event stream required to begin building the bot backend and testing endpoints. Now implement a reliable backend. Create a webhook endpoint that verifies the challenge token and parses incoming JSON payloads. Once done, use the Graph API with your page access token to send messages, quick replies, and templates. Handle message echoes and postbacks so logic remains consistent. Make sure to persist conversation state, session ID, or a database, and integrate NLP or rule-based flows to craft responses. Also, set up secure token handling, rate limit safeguards, and logging so you can iterate safely. To finish, thoroughly test the bot using page roles and a set of messenger testers. Exercise edge cases and multi-turn conversations. Once stable, submit the app for review if you require pages messaging permissions for public use. Make sure automated deployments and environment variables are set for production tokens. If something goes wrong, check logs for webhook retries, Graph API error codes, and permission scopes. A common fix is reissuing the page access token or revalidating the webhook verification token, which resolves most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.